Today I'm going to run through with you how to make little wet felted beads or little wet felted balls of wool. You'll need soap, wool and warm water. So to do this, I have got just some soap flakes in here, so I just shave bits off a bar of soap, just about a teaspoonful, and I have warm water, not hot. You don't need hot water for this. And just fill up. I like working on a towel just in case of any spillages, especially if there's kiddies helping you out. Now you're going to take a piece of wool top. I've been through this before. Make sure when you do separate your wool top, don't separate it this way. We're separating it this way, hands far apart, and then those fibres will split nicely. And what we're going to do is we're going to tightly roll this into a ball. Just like with needle felting, the more work you can do beforehand, the less you're going to have to do to felt the fibres and compress them. So I'm just going to roll this as tightly as I can into a ball, tucking those ends in. Try to make sure you don't have any severe folds, because they will show on your beads. And just wrap that around. It's obviously not a perfect circle at the moment, but it will be. Holding it, so I'm holding that overlap. I'm just going to sit it in the water, and you'll see the water starting to soak in and creep up. So you're kind of over wetting at this point. And now I'm just going to roll it. And to begin with, a lot of that excess water is going to come out. And just roll it, applying pressure, not too much pressure. Make sure the fibres can move. So I've been rolling that for about a minute, and there's still a bit of squidge in it. It's holding, but I'd rather it a bit firmer. You can add a bit more water. And keep rolling it again. Now that it's holding, you can really apply pressure. So I've been rolling this now for possibly just under 3 minutes. I'm really happy with how firm it is. If you can see there, if I squidge it, I'm really pushing that down, and there is not much give in it at all. So I like to do mine quite firm, so that you don't have too much squidge. It does make it a bit difficult if you're going to be stringing these into a necklace to get a needle through. But it just makes sure they're really, really durable. So you can, as I say, string it into a necklace, maybe into some earrings, or even sew them all together. Make them all the same size, sew them all together into coasters. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next Monday. Happy crafting! Bye!